ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಂ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಂ. ನಿಗಮಕಲ್ಪತರೋರ್ಗಲಿತಂ ಫಲಂ ಸುಖಮುಖಾದಮೃತದ್ರವಸಂಯುತಂ ಪಿಬತ ಭಾಗವತಂ ರಸಮಾಲಯಂ ಮುಹುರಹೋ ರಸಿಕಾ ಭುವಿ ಭಾವುಕಾಃ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ಶ್ರೀಸುಖಯೋಗೀಂದ್ರ. ಯಂ ಪ್ರವ್ರಜಂತಮನುಪೇತಮಪೇತಕೃತ್ಯಂ ದ್ವೈಪಾಯನೋ ವಿರಹಕಾತರ ಆಜುಹಾವ ಪುತ್ರೇತಿ ತನ್ಮಯತಯಾ ತರವೋ ವಿನೇದುಃ ತಂ ಸರ್ವಭೂತಹೃದಯಂ ಮುನಿಮಾನತೋಸ್ಮಿ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಂ ಟು ನರನಾರಾಯಣ, ಚತುರ್ಮುಖ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮ, ಸರಸ್ವತೀ ದೇವಿ, ವ್ಯಾಸಮಹರ್ಷಿ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಇನ್ ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಂ 4th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Maitreya teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, Sriman Narayana appeared in front of Dhruva and touched Dhruva's cheeks with his divine Senkham. With that, Dhruva could realize the essence of quintessence of entire Vedas. And then he could realize Atma Tattvam, Bhagavat Tattvam. O Vidura, with Paramatma's Senkhasparsa, with the touch of that Senkham, Dhruva started speaking such a high-level Vedic words. With the Senkhasparsa, with the touch of that Senkham, Dhruva filled up with so much of devotion, and without getting shivered, he was so balanced and started praising Sriman Narayana, whose fame is spreaded all over the universe, saying that, O Devadeva Purushottama, Yontaha Pravisya Mama Vacham Imam Prasuptam Sanjeevayati. O Sriman Narayana, my energy was sleeping. My walk, my speech ability was so much low. Now, with the touch of your Senkham, you have initiated my divine speech. And Hasta, Charana, Shravana, Tvak, Adin, Pranan, entire of my body got so much of energized with the touch of your Senkham. O Sriman Narayana, Namo Bhagavate Purushaya Tubhyam. You are the one who is there within me as an Antaryami. O Purushottama, I am doing Namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I realized that before this entire Srishti came out, you are only the one who was there before this Srishti. And I realized that, O Sriman Narayana, Chaturmukha Brahma is your property. And you are the one who gave Chaturmukha Brahma Jnanam and ability to do this entire Srishti. Like that, Dhruva praying Sriman Narayana. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmat Gurubhyo Namaha. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees, and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org, and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka, and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana.